There are some students who are afraid of making translations. If you don't know exactly how to translate a sentence, so it will be very difficult for you to write freely. That means this is very important for your free handwriting. ওকে ধ্রুব, আমি তোমাকে প্রথমে জিজ্ঞেস করব, বলো তো দেখি, আমি তোমার জন্য অপেক্ষা করেছিলাম।
I waited for you.
আমাকে তোমার জন্য অপেক্ষা করতে হয়েছিল।
I had to wait for you.
কয়েকজন মেয়ে কথা বলছে।
Some girls are talking.
আমরা ইংরেজি শিখছি।
We are learning English.
আমরা 11 বছর ধরে ইংরেজি শিখছি।
We have been learning English for 11 years.
লোকটি 7 দিন ধরে জ্বরে ভুগছে।
The man have been
নাকি the man has been?
The man has been suffering for কতদিন স্যার?
The man has been suffering from fever for 7 days. Are you clear? Okay. My next question is, আমার চলে যাওয়া উচিত।
I should go.
No. আমার চলে যাওয়া উচিত ছিল।
I should have go.
I should have go নাকি gone হবে? কি হবে? I should have gone. আমার আসার কথা ছিল।
I should have.
আমার আসার কথা ছিল, কথা ছিল মানেই was were plus supposed to লাগবে। যেমন আমার লেখার কথা ছিল, I was supposed to write. তাহলে আমার আসার কথা ছিল,
I was supposed to come.
ওকে। এই পরীক্ষায় আমার প্রথম হওয়ার কথা ছিল।
I was supposed to be first in this exam.
তাদের আজ ভালো খেলার কথা ছিল।
They are supposed to play good today.
Okay, they were supposed to play good নাকি well? Well. Okay, আমরা ইংরেজিতে উন্নতি করছি।
We are improving in English.
We are improving in English. তোমাদের কি বুঝতে সমস্যা হচ্ছে? তাহলে আমরা এভাবে ছোট ছোট বাক্য অনুবাদ করার মাধ্যমে আমরা আমাদের টেন্সের যে জটিলতা আছে সেটাকে আমরা কি করতে পারি? কাটিয়ে উঠতে পারি। Now I want to ask you some basic questions about your daily life. When do you get up at morning?
It's 5:40.
Okay. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 5 sisters.
Can you talk about your sisters or your parents?
No.
Okay. It's good. So he's not interested to talk about his family. I know he belongs to a happy family. He has a nice family. He should be proud of his family. So what is your aim in life and why?
I have no aim in life.
Okay, it's good. He has no aim in life. So what is your favorite color and why?
It's light green.
Light green.
Yeah.
So can you explain the reason of your choice?
When I stand under a papaya tree, the sunlight
comes.
প্রতিসরণ ইংরেজি কি স্যার?
Refract. Okay, reflect. Okay.
Refracts it, and it looks light green.
That means when the sun rays come to the papaya tree, it gets a reflection in this way.
Refraction.
Okay. In this way, the color turns into light green. This one is your favorite color. So do you watch movie?
Yes, a lot of.
Okay. What kind of movies do you like most?
No kind.
Okay. It's good. So how have you improved your English? You are speaking English with me confidently.
Uh, I never do anything for improving it. It's random.
Okay, so you have done nothing to improve your English. You are speaking English normally. It's natural. Actually, some people say that the people of Bangladesh don't know exactly how to speak in English. I don't believe it at all. Okay, this is the first time he is speaking English, but he's not fluent enough. This is not the factor. The fact is that he is speaking English confidently. So it proves that the students of Bangladesh know how to speak in English. So this is enough, I think. Thank you very much. It was a nice conversation.